Now, let's drift south across the Indian Ocean to a land where the air is perfumed with sweet vanilla Madagascar. This island isn't just a haven for rare wildlife. It's a treasure trove of flavors, shaped by centuries of migration, tradition, and the lush embrace of nature. Here, vanilla isn't simply a spice, it's a lifeblood. In the humid valleys of the northeast, farmers rise with the dawn to hand-pollinate each delicate orchid flower, a ritual passed down through generations. The beans are sun-cured and aged, transforming into black gold, the world's most coveted vanilla, prized for its deep, intoxicating aroma. But Madagascar's story doesn't stop at vanilla. In the heart of bustling markets, the sizzle of garlic and chilies mingles with the laughter of vendors. Bowls of Romazava beef stew brimming with wild greens bubble over open flames. Ravitoto, a rustic dish of cassava leaves, pork, and coconut milk, fills the air with earthy richness. Here, food is a tapestry woven from African roots, Asian spices, and French colonial touches where rice is king and every meal is a celebration. Venture deeper, and you'll find the rainforest's bounty wild mushrooms, freshwater fish, and zebu simmered with garlic in clay pots, all shared beneath the shade of ancient tamarind trees. Along the coast, fishermen haul in lobster, shrimp, and crab at sunrise, ready to be grilled and savored by the sea. In Madagascar, every bite is a journey of survival, community, and love for the land. So next time you taste vanilla in your dessert, remember, it's more than a flavor. It's a story, one that began in the misty dawn, on an island where dreams are as wild as the jungle itself. In Malagasy villages, families gather for festive meals, sharing laughter and stories as they prepare traditional dishes together. Street vendors serve mofogasi, sweet rice cakes, hot off the griddle, their aroma drawing crowds to the morning markets. During Famadihana, the turning of the bones, families honor ancestors with music, dance, and feasts that unite generations. From the first light of dawn to the last glow of sunset, Madagascar's kitchens are alive with the rhythms of tradition and the joy of sharing. Thank you for watching Explore You Ever. If this journey stirred your curiosity, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.